Hey everyone, it's Ryan from the Sachem Public Library Studio Department, and today I'll be showing you how to use the pen tool in Photoshop. So let's get to it. I have this image here of this pyramid, and I'm going to use the pen tool to outline the sky, and I'm going to swap it out with a different background, so let's go for it. So I have the pen tool here, and then I'm going to have my first anchor point here, and we're going to connect back to that starting point when I'm done. So yes, you can zoom in and get very microscopic with this. For this lesson, I'm just going to briefly do this, give you the main idea. Okay, I'm going to the bottom there, up to the top right corner, left corner, and back down to the starting point. Great, now you'll see it's a whole straight line, and if you right click it, you can do make selection. I like keeping the feather radius around 3 pixels, so it's a little soft when you delete certain parts off the image. I'm going to go ahead and unlock this background while I'm at it. Okay. From here, you can just take the eraser tool and just do that, or you can just hit delete like that. Okay, so now that I have the background deleted, I'm going to go ahead and use my alternative background. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder, get my image, and drag and drop. When it's there, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And then I'm going to drag the layer underneath it. And there you go. Stretch it out a bit so it fills out. And then you just hit enter. So there we have it. That's one cool way to use the pen tool. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.